Hello friends, I welcome you again on my channel. Today I am going to talk about the unique non-unique qualitative analysis. Especially I am going to talk about acidic and basic radicals, one of the article from this unit. I am Mr. P.D. Kumbar, working as Assistant Professor in Chemistry at Department of Chemistry of Rayat Shikshan Samstha's Professor Dr. N.D. Patil Mahavidyalay, Malkapur. So, acidic and basic radicals are the two components of inorganic compound. So, before discussing acidic and basic radicals, let us think about the word radical. So, the radical is the word which comes from having some positive in case of electron, some negative in case of electron. That is having excess electron, lacking electron. That is we can say in case of the word radical. In case of our inorganic compound, our one part of compound is the acidic radical and the other part of compound is the basic radical. If we see the charge on these two radicals, we are knowing that the acidic radical bears negative charge while basic radical bears positive charge. Simply, let us try to understand why they are named as acidic radical and basic radical. Dear friends, let us take into account one of the favorite reaction, the neutralization reaction. That is reaction between hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, and sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH. We are well familiar with this reaction. That is, we are knowing that when hydrochloric acid HCl combines with base sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, we are going to get products as the salt, that is NaCl plus H2O, that is water. Simply HCl plus NaOH combines to give NaCl plus H2O. Now if we think about the part of the reactant, the reactants are especially HCl is acid, NaOH is base. Now think about the part which is on the right hand side, that is the products. One of the product of the reaction is NaCl. So NaCl is the inorganic compound, no doubt. NaCl, as per our discussion, bears two parts. First part is the Na plus and second part is the Cl minus. So as per our previous discussion, Na plus is the basic radical as it bears positive charge, while Cl minus is acidic radical as it bears negative charge as per our previous discussion. But question is what, why Na plus is named as basic radical and why Cl minus is named as acidic radical? I simply clarify this. So look at the molecular formula of NaCl. So its formula is NaCl. As per our previous knowledge, Na plus is one of the part of this inorganic substance, Cl minus is the another part. So friends, let me remind you that is Na plus is the one portion of this inorganic compound. So let us tell me this Na plus comes from which reactant we used in the reaction. So we come to know that this Na plus comes from the base, that is NaOH. NaOH is one of the reactant of our this reaction. So this Na plus in NaCl comes from NaOH, which is the base. As this NaOH in this reaction, as this Na plus in this reaction comes from base, that's why this Na plus is known as basic radical as it comes from the base. Now let us see the second part of our product, that is the NaCl. The second part of our product is the Cl minus. So let us ask me one question. This Cl minus comes from which reactant we have used in the reaction? So we come to know that this Cl minus comes from the acid component, that is the HCl. So HCl is our one of the reactant. So HCl, it is having Cl minus portion which joins with the Na, and we are going to get NaCl. Simply Cl minus in NaCl comes from acid. That's why Cl minus is known as acidic radical. So this is one of the best example to discuss acidic and basic radicals. So likewise this we can discuss many reactions which are going to form salt and water, that is the neutralization reactions, which are mainly occurring between acid and base. So finally friends, we can sum up that acidic radical is the radical in the inorganic compound which comes from acid during the formation of that particular inorganic compound. Basic radical is the radical which comes from base during that particular reaction while forming that particular inorganic compound. So in this way we can easily come to know about the acidic and basic radicals. So in our next module we will discuss about the separation of these acidic and basic radicals in various groups and the methods of separation of acidic and basic radicals we are going to discuss in the next module. Up till now, I thank you for your patient listening. Thank you friends.